Joe Beermaster. I have a 2018 Land Rover Range Rover. I'm going to show you how to change this tail light, or to get in there to change a bulb. So if you have a new tail light, that one was cracked, you can look to see how they have it as a guide. So it looks like there's 2 screw holes here, and the rest goes in. There's pins. And if you need to change the light, you would of course twist it out, but this is like a circuit. These are LED lights, so it's more of a circuit. So in this case, we're changing the bulb. So we're going to have to remove these 2 trim panels to access the bolts that are under there. So that's just a matter of pulling them off, and we're going to start doing that. First thing you want to do is pull this trim panel off. You pull from this side out. There's a little clip that holds it in. Then we're dealing with this one here. So these little pressure clips that hold it in. Everything's clipped in.
Pull up on the gate a little bit, just so I can get the cable out.
All right. And then we have 2 Torx heads right there and right there. So you take them out, and then you're going to basically, it's not going to come out right away. So you're going to have to, once you take the Torx heads out, you want to hold it with one hand here and the other hand here and hit it. You want to get them out of them grommets, those push pins. Alright, so we got them out. Now we're going to take the light out. This one you can reach your hand in there and grab it, but you put a little pressure, then you unclip it. There you go. Just press on that and unclip it. This is, like I said, an LED light. It really doesn't have bulbs. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, it's just a wire. Just a wire. So you really have to replace the whole assembly. So these assemblies for these Land Rover Range Rovers run about $800 or more. I think it was even more. But you can get them on eBay for a little less. And now we're going to install it. Just basically reverse the process. That's not hard to figure out, and that's how it's done. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Bye.